Philips NeoPix 150. Home Cinema Projector Review. Best budget projector for home use? Looking for an affordable projector for movies and everyday home entertainment? The Philips NeoPix 150 could be an interesting budget option, but its low brightness means it isn't for every room. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The NeoPix 150 uses an LED light source and LCD technology with a native Full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080. Philips rates it at up to 250 lumens and recommends using its maximum 80-inch image in a dark room. One of its biggest advantages is the compact design. It weighs around 0.85 kilograms and includes a 180-degree rotating stand, making it easy to position on a table or point toward a wall. Automatic keystone correction also helps simplify setup, although focusing is manual. For connectivity, you get HDMI, USB, a 3.5mm audio output, dual-band Wi-Fi, and wireless screen mirroring. So you can connect devices through HDMI or mirror compatible content from smartphones, tablets, and computers. The built-in speakers are dual 3-watt stereo units. They're convenient for casual viewing, but for a more immersive movie experience, external speakers would be a better choice. Philips also rates the LED light source for up to 30,000 hours, which is a major advantage over traditional lamp-based projectors because there's no regular lamp replacement. However, the biggest weakness is brightness. At only 250 lumens, the NeoPix 150 really needs a dark room to produce its best image. It's also limited to one HDMI input and doesn't offer automatic focus. So, is it worth buying? If you want a small Full HD projector for nighttime movies, bedroom use, or occasional entertainment, the NeoPix 150 can make sense. But if you want strong performance during the day or a serious home theater setup, you should consider a brighter model. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your thoughts on the NeoPix 150.